Good morning, guys. I'm from Thyroid Solutions. So today we are going to see, with the help of state and with the help of hook concepts of React, how we are going to deliver a mini project that is background changer. So let me start, guys. So let me enter into the project. Code space dot code space dot. So after that, here this is our folder where we were doing these things. So now what we will do here is, let me create a project here. So this project is white. So that's why here our command will be npm create white at the rate latest. So here I am saying npm create white at the rate latest at the rate latest. So here I am giving the project name as here. I am giving project name as 0303 BG changer, BG changer, package, package.json. And here framework I am selecting as a React, variant I am selecting a JavaScript. So this is my project. And guys, so my project is BG changer. So here, first of all, let me show you how our project looks like. So first of all, let me open my React. This is what we did in the last sessions. So here, let me open this. So here, first of all, 03 BG changer is my project. So CD 03. So let me run this npm run dev. So let me follow link here. So once I click on this red, the background is changing to red. Once I click on this green, the background is changing to green. And if I click on this blue, the background is changing to blue. So this is our mini project, that is background changer. This we are going to do with the help of React. So now let me close this thing. Let me close this thing. And from here we will get the scenario. So first of all, our target is to design the HTML page. So now let me design the HTML page here. So I am designing the HTML page here. So I am saying div, and here I am saying class name. Class name here I am giving as container. Container. Inside this div tag, I am opening another div tag I am opening, and here I am giving class name as fixed. I am giving here class name fixed. I am giving. So after that here I am saying div class name I am giving as flex, and inside this I am creating a button, and okay, this button I am going to give as a red. Once again here I am creating another button, and this one is green, and here I am creating another button and I am giving as blue. Okay, so now let me run this code. Let me run this program and see how my output is coming. So before that, we have to enter into the project. So 03 and here. Then after that, npm run dev, npm run dev. So now it is showing me that some problem is there. I think we once again, first of all, we have to go inside our project. We are into our project. Npm run dev, I am doing fine. Okay, I forget to install the node module. Sorry guys, I forget to install the node module here. So npm install, I have to give here npm install to install the node module. Here I don't have that node module folder, so that's why that error was coming. So once I install that node module folder, our error will be solved. So as you can see here, node module folder is installed now. Yeah, guys, so our node module folder is now installed. So now if I give here npm run dev, so now let me run this. So yeah, our project is now running successfully. So now if I run this code, you will be seeing that my output is coming something like this. So red, green, and blue is now coming. Fine, now we have to set all the things here. So let me cut this part here. And first of all, let's give some styling to it. So inside the head part, I'm giving the style tag. And in the style tag, we have to give all these stylings to the whatever the styling we want, whatever the styling we want to give our HTML page, that styles we can give here. So first of all, let's style our container. So to style our container, first of all, we have to see that whether it is ID or a class. So it is a ID. Sorry, it is a class. So access a class, we have to give a dot container, dot container, dot container. So here I am giving width equals to width. I am giving as 100 viewport, 100 VW. So after that here height I am giving as height here I am giving as 100 VH. Display I am giving as flex. Align item I am giving as center. Justify content I am giving as center. Transitions I am giving as transitions I am giving as background color, background, background color, background color 0.3 S is in out. So this was the our container. So now if you see here, there is a difference now. You can observe. Uh, so here I am saying now dot flex, and here I'm saying display flex, display I'm saying as flex, display flex. After that here I have to say gap is equals to 15 pixels, gap 15 pixels. gap 15 pixels. So now if you see here, there will be gap between the buttons now. Okay, fine. So after that here, I have to start designing the buttons now. So I'm saying button. So padding I am giving here as padding I am giving as 12 pixels, 24 pixels, 12 pixels, 24 pixels. So font size I am giving as font size here I am giving as 18 pixels. Border I am giving here as none. Border I am giving as none. Border radius I am giving as 8 pixels. So border radius I am giving as border radius I want to give as 8 pixels. 8 pixels. So after that here I am giving cursor pointer. So after the transitions I am giving here as transitions transform transitions transitions transition I want to give as transform 0.2 s is in out. Then button, then hover, transform. I'm saying transform scale 1.1. Then button colon nth child. So here also nth child of I'm saying 1. And here let me design background is equals to red. Background I am saying as red. Background I am saying as red. Then color of the text I am giving as white. Then after that here button nth child 2 I am writing button then nth child 2 I am writing. And this time background color I want not background color, background I want as after red green is there, so green. So after that here color of the text I want as white. So once again button then nth child, and here I have to give 3, and once again here button nth child 3, and here let me give background this time blue, and color of the text I am giving as white. Color of the text I am giving as white. So now let me check once again what's happening here. So if I now run this code, you will be seeing that I my server is now stopped. That's why output is not loading. So let us run this code. Let us run the server here. So first of all, we have to go inside the project. So 03 background changer. Then here npm run dev we have to give, and the development server will start now. So here you will be seeing that if I click on this follow link, so now my page will be loading here and it says red, green and blue. So now if I click here, nothing is happening right now. if I click here, nothing is happening. But if you see this time here, if I click, so red will come. The server is not working right now. So now if I click here, nothing is happening here. So how I can attach this functionality now that once I click on this red, so the background will be red. If I click on this green, so background will be green. If I click on this blue, so background will be blue. Okay, so how to give that functionality? So to give that functionality, first of all, what we have to do is we have to assign here a state. We have to define here a state. So here I am defining the state as const. Here I am writing const. To define a state within the square bracket, we have to give first of all variable. So the variable I am picking as color, and one function I have to give. I am saying set color, and I am using a hook here that is use state hook I am using here, and here I am saying the original color of the web page will be black. Okay, so now here what will happen here, I am making a function change color function change color change color. So this is going to take a parameter that is our color. This color will be our parameter here. So I'm saying color. So now what will happen is the moment the user clicks on any button, this set color function will be called, and whatever the color that button has, that will be changed now. So color I have to call here. Okay. So now what will happen is with the help of on-click event, whenever user clicks on this red button, red, so it will change to the red. Before that, what we have to do is we have to assign the style here. So style, I am writing style, and here I am saying background color. I am saying background color color. This color is nothing but our this color which is going to change. Fine. So here now let us attach this function, and once anyone click on this red, so red button will be the color will change to the red. So which functionality I have to which event? So on click event I have to attach here, on click event. And remember this thing, on click event, to call this on click event, first of all I have to give here the sorry, on click event, then we have to give this, and parenthesis we have to call the arrow function. Inside the arrow function I am saying change color, and which color I have to change, I have to change into red. In the same way here also I have to attach the on click event, and I have to call the arrow function here, and that is change color, and that color will be changed to the green. Once again here on click event I have to write here on click event, and here what we have to do is change color, and here I am saying blue. Fine guys. So now let's see what happens once I click on the buttons here. So let me run the code once again here. So now first of all we have to go inside our project, so 03 tab. So now npm run npm run dev. So now if I run this one, so you will be seeing that our project is running perfectly fine. So now if I click on the red part, you will be see that this original layout is coming as black. Why? Just because of here we have used here in our code use state we have used, and use state is a hook that is used to deliver the original value, the present moment, what is the condition of our web page that it delivers. So the present color of the web page is black. So that's why it is showing me a black color here. After that, once I click on this red, so it is changing to red. Once I click on this green, so it is changing to green. Now, if I click on this blue, it is changing to blue. Fine, everyone. So now, once again, I am repeating the concept so that you will get more clarity here over here. So first of all, what we did is, first of all, we designed this whole HTML page. Fine. With the help of div class, I designed a container, and inside this container, I made a class fixed. And inside this same container, I made the class flex. So here I designed three buttons, that is red, green, and blue. These three buttons are going to act as the once a user clicks on the red, the color of the background will be changed to red. If the user clicks on green, so the color will be changed to green. And if the user clicks on blue, so it will change to the blue. So that is all. So after that, what happens here is we designed a state here that whatever the color is user is clicking, that this color will pick, and after that, with the help of this set color function, it will call this function and the color will be changed. With the help of this use state, what we are going to do is the original color, whatever the present color of the web page is, that will be delivered on that will be the actual color of the page. Fine. So after that, here I am writing a function change color, and color here I am passing as the original color, that is black. Right now black, so that's why black is coming. So once the you here now what we have to do is once the user clicks on this red, so what my idea is this function should invoke, and whatever the color is there, that should be changed. So to make it possible, what we have to do is we have to attach an event, that is on click event. Once we attach this on click event, what we have to do is we have to write the arrow function. Why arrow function we are writing? Always remember, this arrow function is right in the case where first of all we have to fetch the value, then we have to execute the function. If there is certain scenario that first we have to fetch the value and then after that we have to execute the function, so in those scenario we have to uh, attach an arrow function. If suppose here I want that before fetching the value, I want to execute the function. So at that time, we don't need to write this arrow function. If you go in our previous project, that is custom React here, so you will be seeing that here, you will be seeing that we have not we have not used any arrow function, nothing. Fine. So now you will be seeing that why we are using arrow function here. We are using arrow function here because here what we have to do is first we have to pick this red, then we have to pass this to the color, and then we have to execute this function. So that's why we are using here arrow function. So here also the scenario is same. Here also we are using arrow function because first of all, what we will do is we will pick this green color, we will pass to this color parameter, and then we will execute this function. Here also the scenario is same. We use the arrow function because first of all, I will pick this blue color, I will pass to this color parameter, and then this change color will be executed. So this is all about how we are going to design the background changer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If any doubt is there, please comment on the please comment, write a comment, and I hope you got the concept, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot, guys.